Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Facebook post into your WordPress page or post using Design Builder. So let's go to our dashboard, and here let me go to the page where I wish to embed the post. Let's say if this is the features page, I want to edit it with Design Builder. Now once it loads, it just shows you the options on the left hand side. Check for tree view, make sure you add some section, then insert element, go for content element and choose custom code. Now that you have it, you can spread it a bit further so that it can have much more wider space. Next thing, make sure to click on this open custom code toolbox, right, and then edit the element. Now on left hand side you will see option to add custom HTML. There is also option for PHP code, and in advanced they also have option for custom CSS. So we will only look at custom HTML here. Now to add a Facebook post, let's go to the particular Facebook post. Here you can see I'm part of one urban sketch group, and here is one post. Okay, so if I want to embed this, I want to go to this three dot button, click on embed, and then copy this iframe source code. Come back to our Design Builder page editing and paste this here, right? Now click on apply, right? And if you want, you can increase its width, but it will only take what is available from official source. Next, save the page and publish it. Now if we check the view, our Facebook post appear within WordPress page. Same applies for WordPress post as well with the same method.